Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to open the hood right here, over near the footrest. You're going to pull this lever. To release the safety, there's a little lever right here. You're going to slide it to the driver's side, lift up on the hood. Next, we're going to remove these push clips. There's 8 of them. They're right in these locations. Right here, here, and here. We're going to use a trim tool. You could use a flat blade screwdriver. And pull up the center part, and then once the center's up, it's unlocked and you can pull it out. Do the same with the others. Once those are out, we can take this panel off. Just lift up, pull it out of your way. We're going to take these 4 10mm bolts out. I'm going to use a 10mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. Take that last one out. To pull this grill forward, I'm going to use some needle nose pliers. You need to take these clips and compress them. And then you can pull out on the grill. There's 6 of them. There's one there, one here, and then there's one down here. So you squeeze the clip, and pull out on the grill, just like that. Pull it out. Right here. This one's already unsnapped, and one more on the bottom here. Pull that out, and you can pull the grill straight forward. We're going to install the grill. These are the clips that hold the grill on, right here. We'll line those up. Once you see that they're all lined up, then you can push on the grill. And we'll push on the grill, and it'll lock in place. And we can push a little bit more to get the bolt holes to line up. Install these 4 bolts. Once we get those bolts in, we'll snug them down. Next, we'll install this cover. Make sure it lines up with the holes for the push clips. Take the 8 push clips and push them back in. Close the hood.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.